everyone, it's Maria. Welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you the farm that I'm staying on. It's called Kanekiki. It's on the big island of Hawaii. So I'm just gonna give you a little tour. I'm gonna show you how everything looks like here because I got a lot of questions about it. So let's get started. So this is the road that gets you to our farm. It's called Papaya Farms Road. I just love the name. And there are a few farms near this road and ours is one of them. So here we have a banana tree and here we come to Kanekiki. So the first thing you're gonna see when you come to the farm is a lot of coconut trees. Here are some, and you will see falling coconuts everywhere. So just don't stand underneath the coconut trees because you can get hit by one. I should probably move. Even more bananas. And those trees right here, they grow this fruit. Looks like this. I'm not really sure what's the name, but it's really delicious. So I'm gonna ask someone who's on the farm for a longer period of time and I'm gonna ask them what's the name and I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen. And here we have the cars and there is one of the huts that we live in. Actually just 2 people live in this one. In my hut there are 7 beds and my hut is right over there, but I'm gonna go there in a second. A tutaj jest kwiat bananowca i z tego później tam na górze wyrosną banany. So right here is our coconut bar. So you can take some coconuts that we store over here. I'm gonna give you a closer look. So they are over there in the shade so they don't get old so fast. And then you can just take 1 or 2 or as many as you want. You put them right here. You have to take a machete and then you have to open your coconut, which I'm so bad at, but I'm gonna show you how my friend does it. So now I'm going to my hut. So this is a rambutan tree. I love rambutans. They are just so delicious. We have so many. Oh gosh, I love them. So this tree over here is an orange tree. As you can see, there are a lot of oranges falling on the ground. And then this tree over here, I think it's a macadamia nut tree. I'm not sure though, because it doesn't have any fruit right now or any nuts or anything really except leaves. Maybe it's not the season. I don't know. So here is my hut. It's called the long hut. So let's get in there. We always remove our shoes and then this is a shoe-free area. This is how it looks inside. We have 7 beds in here, but just 4 people are staying in it right now. So this is my bed. I don't usually make my bed. Yeah, I'm just that person. Here's my suitcase, my backpack, and in this container we store our clothes. It protects them from the moisture, especially at night. There is so much moisture here. I wake up and I want to put my glasses on and my glasses will be all wet. Like there's so much moisture on it. So it keeps the clothes from getting mold. And then under the beds, we have some more containers so we can store the other stuff in there because we don't want it to get moldy. And then I have this box in here. So here are my water bottles, my night light. You just put it on your head because we don't have any electricity in the huts. So at night it gets dark at like 6 p.m. or 6:30. After that you definitely need a torch or something like this. And then here I just store my other stuff. And we also have some hangers so you can hang some other stuff here. As you can see, anything pretty much. Over here we have some papaya trees, but we have so many on the property. This is just like 1 or 2% of it. And then over there some bananas, but I'm gonna go there right now because there are some cool things over there. I'm gonna show you. Another papaya tree. And this is our kitchen. So this is our kitchen. There are no places to cook here because we don't cook, we eat everything raw. But you can definitely prepare some delicious food. And here we can eat, or you can eat anywhere else you want to. But when we have like a community meeting or something like that, then we just gather around here. Here we keep our community food, so every Monday and every Thursday is a harvest day, and everything we harvest we put in here. So right now we have so many oranges because it's the season, and this is soursop. It's actually really good. I never even knew something like that exists, but it's just so good. Here we have some bananas. Even if we have a lot, they disappear really quickly because everyone loves them. Here we have some cacao. Here we have avocados, which are the best avocados I had in my whole life. Here we have some papayas and even more papayas. Here we have some spices, and here we keep our boxes with the food that we purchase every Sunday on the farmers market, and we also go to a grocery store, but mostly just farmers market. So here I have some oats, 1 pineapple, granola, dates, nuts, chickpeas. I think there's also a mango somewhere there, and I think limes. Yeah. If you want me to show you guys what I actually purchase every Sunday and what I eat in a day, then just let me know in the comments and I'm gonna make a video like this. And here we have our fridges. Up there, freezers. Down here, just normal fridge. And everyone has a bin in it. This is mine, so I keep my food in there. I'm not gonna go into details, but if you want me to, I'm gonna make another video about it. So let's move on. Right here, every morning we have a meeting and we decide who's gonna do what, because we start work every day at 7 a.m. So here we meet, we discuss who's doing what, and then we go to work. Over here is our laundry and towels and stuff like that, so I just hang my laundry there. So now the cool part, our bathroom. So right here we have 2 showers. There is no curtain or anything, so some people just shower here. I don't really like it. I like the private shower. I'm gonna go there in a second. So here is the sink, the mirror. Hi everyone! So let's just go to the private shower. It's really cool, I'm telling you guys. It's so cool. It's right in here. Here's the shower, and you can shower looking at all of those banana trees up here and the sky. And I thought it's gonna be horrible because who showers outside in place like this? But now I love it so much. It's so much better than the normal shower, to be honest. So that's it, let's move on. So over here we keep all of our tools, everything we use for work, some wood, just tons of stuff. Here we have our comas, so those tools, they are kind of like knives maybe, but a little bit bent. And then we have our machetes, they are very important for work. And then here we have our gloves, because you always need to wear gloves when you go work. Above all of this is our community room, which is really cool. I'm gonna go there in a second, but first I'm gonna show you 2 other things. So this is our bodega, and in here we keep all of the foods that need to ripen. So we have our bananas, they are hanging here so the rats don't get to them. And then more bananas. Here is a jackfruit, soursop, another jackfruit, and a lot of avocados. They need their time to ripen. And then some people also keep their food in here if there is not enough space in the kitchen. Let's move on. That's just a random coconut. So right here at the end of this part of the property, because over there there's way more, but it's more for harvesting, so I'm gonna go there another time. But right here you come here to do the second one. It's like a toilet, it's a composting toilet. So you just open that hole and you squat and you do your business here, and then you put some of this in there so it can compost better. And actually it's not as bad as it seems. It's not bad at all, I'm telling you guys. Just 2 days or 3 days and you can get used to that. So now we are going to the community room where everyone usually is after work. Well, not all the time, but a lot of the time, because there's Wi-Fi and electricity, and you know, we like that stuff. So this is how the community room looks like. Plenty of space to hang out. Here we charge our stuff, and also here you can charge everything. Here we usually sit with my friend who also has a YouTube channel. Her YouTube channel is called Fruitforia. Definitely check it out, it's awesome. So we call it our YouTube corner and we always sit there. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, I really appreciate it. Click thumbs up if you like this video, and also tell me in the comments what you want to see in my new videos from Hawaii. Actually, the whole property here, it's way bigger, because back there where I showed you guys, we have a lot of fruit trees, so every time we go to harvest, we usually go there. We also harvest some things in the front. As you could see, we have a lot of papaya trees, some rambutan trees, some other trees here, but mostly we go to the back. So I'm gonna show you that area in the harvest day video or harvest day videos, because I think there's gonna be a few. So if you want to see that, definitely go check out those videos. And the whole area that I showed you today, it's where we hang out after work, and yeah, that's what we do. So thank you guys one more time for watching, and see you next time. Bye!